This is how to back up USB connected hard drives with Time Machine. So select your backup and then go to Options. Once you're in Options, you'll see here where it says Exclude from Backup. Now that's my hard drive. I named it Really Cheap and Fast Storage. So since it's identified as excluded, it will not back up. So select it, click the minus sign, and that will remove it from excluded items. So this means now when you click Done, that the USB connected hard drive should back up within Time Machine. Hope this video helped. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my other videos too. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.